Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking at a stunning 3-bedroom house in the beautiful rolling countryside of Terni in the Umbria region. Terni is also known as the City of Lovers, because at the basilica of the same name are kept the remains of Saint Valentine, who was bishop of the city. Let's have a look at this fantastic property. On the market at only €59,000, this is an absolute steal. This property sits in that perfect sweet spot for investors and homeowners alike. It's got the bones, it's got the stunning location, and most importantly, it's got the potential. Admittedly, it needs a bit of a glow up. We're looking at some modernization and renovation to bring it up to 2026 standards. But because the bones are so good, your budget can go exactly where you want it. High-end finishes, a designer kitchen, or that open-plan layout you've been dreaming of. Because of the work-to-value ratio here, I see this as a fantastic investment opportunity. Whether you want to move in full-time and build equity, or flip it into a high-end holiday home for the rental market, the margins here are incredibly compelling. You're buying potential at a price that leaves room for a premium finish. I forgot to mention the land that comes with this house. You will be sitting on 7,000 square meters of stunning Umbrian land, with a portion having olive trees planted on it. Just look at the views from this terrace. The terrace itself is of good size. I could see myself sitting here during a summer's evening, taking in all the sights and sounds this location would give you. Properties with this much potential and this stunning location don't stay on the market for very long. Before we move on to the bonus property, let's talk about the local amenities. Terni offers a 15-minute city lifestyle. Premium shopping on Corso Tarcizzo, artisan bakeries, and top-tier healthcare are all within a short stroll. Still staying in Umbria, let's look at property 2. If you've been looking for a proper escape in the heart of Italy, you'll want to see this. We're in Vallo di Nera, right at the foot of one of Umbria's most beautiful medieval villages. I'll get straight to the point. This is a project. It's a detached villa that needs a full renovation including the roof, but at €68,000, that's about £59,000 or $78,000, you're getting a massive footprint to work with in this stunning location. You've got 150 square meters over 2 floors, 2 big fireplaces, and 3 bedrooms upstairs. But the real standout is the outside. It comes with over 7,000 square meters of private land, part woods, part fields. It's incredibly quiet and totally private. You're only 15 minutes from Spoleto, so you've got culture and shops nearby, but back here, it's just greenery and views. If you're up for a bit of hard work to create something authentic, this just might be the one for you. The land this house sits on is very impressive. Not only are you getting great, beautiful land, you're also getting your own private wooded areas too. So, which house is your favorite? As always, we appreciate you tuning in. If you need information about any of the houses from this video, please get in touch. We'll be back soon with more amazing houses. Take care. Bye for now.